In just a couple of seconds, students can create a Google Doc that can be used as a student assignment planner. Students need to go to docs.new, where they will find a brand new Google Doc that they can use. Once the Google Doc loads, I recommend that students label and name the Google Doc so that they will always be able to find it in their Google Drive. In the main doc area, all they need to do is turn on check marks and they can make a list of their classes. They can date this if they choose to. They can check it off once they've completed the assignment. And they can either keep this as a running log or they can make a copy of this doc each day. I recommend them using it as a running log, but it's totally up to the student. In the next video, I'll show you how to use Google Keep as a student planner. One of my favorite tools to show students is Google Keep. They don't often realize that this is a Google app that is free for them to use, and it can go on their phone, it can go on their Chromebooks, and they can access it anywhere, and it's great to be used for a student planner. Students start by going to keep.google.com, and it'll take them to this note-taking app. The other place students can find it is right here in the waffle or the Google Apps icon. If they scroll down, they will see Keep. It's very easy to use. Students can click on the Take a Note area here, and I like to tell the students to maybe do it as their red day, white day classes, but they want to name the note because there is a search feature that will allow them to look for notes. And then what I like to tell them to do is go here to the little jelly beans and show check boxes. Students can then add their red day and white day classes, either or. And when they list their classes, they can then put the assignment that they have there. And then they can add their other classes as well and assignments. And then as they complete assignments, they can check it off and it goes into a completed item list. Students can reuse these each day. They can change the name, they can change the assignments. If they really want to get fancy, they can color code them. But what's beautiful about this is they can pin this and it will stay at the top of their Google Keep notes. Students can also add reminders to these, which I like because this is what you don't have with Google Docs. They can set up for it to remind them on their Chromebook to do their homework. They can also add collaborators and share the notes with another student if they need to. They can add images to it. So this is just another resource that students have in place of their student planner. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to pin and favorite all of this so that it's right there on the taskbar, on the bookmark bar for the students. There are two ways that students can keep a tab from closing or keep a tab so that they can come back to it later on. The first way is to two-finger tap on your tab and click Pin. This will allow the tab to be here without an X that they can't accidentally close it. The other thing that students can do is they can favorite. Anything that they favorite, if they put a star, they can choose where they save it to. I like to tell them to leave it on their bookmark bar and it will stay right here. If they take the name off of it, it will appear here as a little icon. But this is a great way for students to close an app, but then be able to come back to it right away. Either way, whether the tab is pinned or whether it's favorited or bookmarked, the student can come back to it at any time.